Avatar, make it a lot. Been taking 3 flavors. Shoot the nigga now, we'll speak later. Up for Whitney, got the Mac with me, hit behind the Warhol. Dip the bird door, shut up the whole store. Cherry 57 in the back, learning lessons. Crack it, drying it, be ready in a second. 40 chains on Halo, I'm a guard nigga. Fear a guard, jog, a rocket nigga. I don't even jog, hanging out the wagon sunroof. Pick a nigga off. The meal with the chill bezel. All my phones ready to make me feel special. Banana pill AK, I'm looking real extra. With the cop keys and money green Teslas. So Virgil, right brick on my brick, on my brick. Right brick on my brick. So Virgil, right brick on my brick. Hey yo, Amiri's filled with cash, I'm in the fashion district. Shoot your mama house before I have to pick it. All my niggas dealing, all my niggas killing. The niggas try to test me, now them niggas missing. Milk porters, I'm still awesome. Water whip coke, I still force it. Rose out the faucet. Tell Virgil, right brick on my bread.
Look, Lil Brody let off his 30, he ain't even flinch. Caught the body, dip to the A, nobody seen him since. 560 bins and I ain't need the tents. My weakest cent cost more than your mama need for rent. That's just for...
Don't be disrespectful, Conway. Alright, be disrespectful. Do you?
That's it, the drum rip, leave you rinse. Hide the body for a week and it's gonna leave a stench. Rappers coming to my city, they gon' need consent. Cause we already know you pussy, nigga, we convinced. I told Virgil, right brick on my brick. The nicest with this shit ain't right this, I just spit. White bitch on my dick, this ice drip on my fist. No shoe deal, but look at all this Nike shit that I get. On Doe Street, this white shit that I pitch. 2 in the morning on the corner, night shift with my blick. No soda in this off-white shit that I whip. I'm rich, put all this off-white shit on my bitch. So if you smoke, we ain't even asking. We just pulling up and somebody gon' see a casket. Hauling Nash and Benny like James Worthy, Kareem and Magic. Every time Griselda drop, the shit gon' be a classic.
I gave cocaine to users and OKs to shooters and cocky. Vintage Versace with the stone face Medusa Soprano.
It's the difference. It's the difference. Conway, his verse was nice, but look how he come in there. Look how
shooters and cocky, vintage Versace with the stone.
Look how Benny steps in the building.
Casket, hauling Nash and Benny like James Worthy, Kareem and Magic. Every time Griselda drop, the shit gon' be a classic.
I gave cocaine to users and OKs to shooters and cocky, vintage Versace with the stone face Medusa Sopranos and Maggianos. We got gold-plated Rugers, this pistol, a backflip you and blow your whole frame to poodle. Got our lives on us, can we chill? Eating with snakes, probably getting killed. Cause trust me, a family had a Henry Hill. And every man don't got a Benny skill. When you this dope, it take at least 50 mil just to sit me still. Like 10 on my whip, white bitch on my dick, right wrist when I whip. That white brick on my brick, runaway Margiela, that type shit on my bitch. Butterflies and spikes, that type shit on my kicks. These rappers wanna be trendy, they hoes wanna be friendly, but never. She wear forever 21 like it's Fendi. I told that bitch it's Givenchy, she pronounced it Givenchy. She wanna fuck me and run through all my accounts till they empty. What was she gonna do? I'm still thinking militant. Old paraphernalia laying around, I got rid of it. Just settled all my differences. I really had a chicken with a tree stamp, like I stepped on it with a Timberland. The butcher, nigga.
Sell coke. Lots of bricks. I mean, used to sell coke. Lots of bricks. Now we get money off this rap shit. It's just the feel. You know what the content is going to be like when you see the name. When you see the name Griselda, you know what you're getting. Hard. Murders. Bricks. that's what you're going to get on some nasty, filthy, dusty beats and drums. They don't miss, man. And now that I'm thinking back, I was just doing that 38 Special Benny Cocaine Cowboys. Before they got to this sound, whole different bag. Whole different bag.